Welcome, viewers, to a journey through the architectural marvel that is Unity Temple, designed by the visionary Lloyd Wright. This groundbreaking structure, nestled in Oak Park, Illinois, stands as a testament to innovation, functionality, and the spirit of unity. In 1905, the Oak Park Unity Church commissioned Lloyd Wright to create a space that embodied their principles of unity, truth, beauty, simplicity, freedom, and reason. The challenges were twofold: a bustling city location and a modest $45,000 budget. To address the noise from the city streets, Wright ingeniously designed high walls or screens around the church, creating a serene sanctuary within. Concrete was chosen for its economy and durability, and to minimize costs, Wright conceptualized casting it as separate blocks. The resulting cube, a noble form in masonry, housed an auditorium for 400, featuring a unique entry and exit design. Worshippers entered unnoticed through cloisters and exited facing the pulpit, a departure from conventional church layouts. Adjacent to the auditorium, Unity House served as a multifunctional space for Sunday school, activities, and gatherings. Its elongated design, connected to the auditorium, showcased Wright's commitment to harmony in architectural form. The auditorium's square plan, raised alcoves and balconies created a sense of grandeur, enhanced by freestanding concrete posts serving as ducts for uniform heat distribution. Natural light played a pivotal role, with skylights and amber glass ceiling lights creating a warm ambience. Wright's design for Unity Temple marked a breakthrough in his concept of interior space. Influenced by Eastern philosophy, he realized that a building's reality lies in the space within, not just its walls. This revelation paved the way for a new era of architectural freedom. Wright's earlier works, such as the Hillside Home School and the Larkin Building, hinted at this evolution. In Unity Temple, he transcended traditional walls, relying on screens and features to shape the space. The screens didn't support the roof, but were anchored by 4 massive interior columns. The exterior, a monolithic concrete cube, exudes an introspective aura. Its entrance, hidden within a low hall connecting Unity Temple and Unity House, reveals Wright's mastery in guiding visitors through transitional spaces. As we peer into the architectural plans of Unity Temple, we discover a meticulous arrangement born out of necessity and innovation. Lloyd Wright faced challenges, such as a limited budget and a bustling city location, shaping his decisions in the creation of this iconic space. Step into the auditorium, where the square plan, raised alcoves, and balconies create a sense of grandeur. The unique entry and exit design, with congregants passing by the pulpit after services, showcase Wright's departure from traditional church layouts. Adjacent to the auditorium, Unity House extends the functionality of the space. Wright's commitment to harmony in architectural form is evident in the elongated design, seamlessly connected to the auditorium. This interplay of structures highlights the versatility of the overall design. Zoom in on the details. The freestanding concrete posts that not only support the overhead structure, but also serve as ducts for efficient heat distribution. The incorporation of natural light, from skylights to amber glass ceiling lights, transforms the atmosphere, ensuring warmth regardless of the weather. Unity Temple marked a turning point in Lloyd Wright's design philosophy. Inspired by Eastern principles, he recognized that a building's true essence lies in the space within, not just its walls. This revelation paved the way for a departure from traditional constraints. As we look at the completed Unity Temple, we see more than a building. We see a harmonious integration of form and function. The exterior, a concrete canvas, conceals an interior bathed in natural light, a space designed for congregation, contemplation, and community. Unity Temple is not just an architectural marvel, it holds historical significance as a Unitarian Universalist church. In 2019, it earned a place on the UNESCO World Heritage List alongside 7 other Wright-designed buildings. As we conclude our journey through Unity Temple, we recognize it not only as a product of architectural genius, but as a symbol of unity, innovation, and the enduring spirit of human creativity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Frank Lloyd Wright's masterpiece. I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into iconic structures, design philosophy, and the fascinating world of architecture. Your engagement and curiosity fuel our passion for sharing the stories behind these masterpieces. Don't miss out on future journeys through history, innovation, and creativity. Hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this exciting architectural adventure together. Until next time, stay inspired.